Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kathy. Welcome back to the Indie Zone here on YouTube. I wanted to extend an invitation to each and every one of you to the very first live event that I am hosting, either here on YouTube and also on my podcast on the Idaho 4 case. I've never had a live event on any of the platforms. I will be having a live event on the 29th of December 2024 at 4 p.m. That is Eastern Standard Time in the United States. And the live section of this YouTube channel provides the details, and you can set a notification to remind you of the event. It is intended to be a year-end synopsis of the major developments in the Idaho 4 case, and also a preview of the major events that are set to occur in 2025. In this, what I believe is the biggest case in the United States today. We're going to be going over certain things such as in 2025, the first thing that is currently scheduled on the calendar, the oral arguments on the various motions to suppress evidence, motions to compel discovery that Mr. Kohberger has filed in this case. We're going to go over some of the legal issues relative to burden of proof. On legal matters where Judge Hippler is the trier of law, the defense, for example, does have the burden of proof to succeed on a motion to suppress or a motion to compel discovery because Mr. Kohberger is the moving party there. We're going to address that. We're also going to address the trial, which is scheduled to occur with the jury selection process at voir dire. That will occur on July 30th, 2025, per Judge Hippler's October 9th, 2024 order. The jury is the trier of fact regarding the crimes that Mr. Kohberger has been charged with, to which he is, and at all times, until or unless he is adjudicated guilty by that jury or pleads guilty, he is innocent of all charges under the law. We're going to address what it means when Judge Hippler says that the trial commences, commencing August 11th, 2025, as to what that signifies for the state of Idaho and their case in chief, and then what we can expect to happen once the defense, who is not required to, but may decide to put on their case in defense of the charges. We're going to also provide a couple of pop quizzes along the way, quizzing our knowledge of the facts of the case as pinpointed to the record, and hopefully engage in some interesting discussion with the community members who join us. Please go to the live section of the page and set the notification. Again, it is scheduled for the 29th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And as always, everything that we do here on the YouTube channel, as well as in our podcast, is in memory and in search of the truth, in honor of the 4 students who were so tragically and horrendously taken on the 13th of November 2022, in memory of Madison Mogan, Kaylee Goncalves, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin. My name is Kathy. Thank you very much for joining us here today.